Thanks for joining us tonight. Handcuffed and shackled. That's how Labor Day murder suspect Michael Devaughn appeared before a judge in an Oktibbeha County courtroom. Devaughn was indicted yesterday on 1 count of capital murder and 1 count of sexual battery in the Starkville 1990 deaths of Betty Jones and Catherine Krigler. Our Quentin Smith was inside the courtroom today. He joins us live in the studio with more. Quentin.
Scott, the Labor Day murders went unsolved for almost 30 years. However, last October, investigators got the break they've been looking for and were finally able to crack this cold case. Back in the courtroom and in front of a judge was Michael Devaughn, who, until just 4 months ago, was a sought-after suspect in one of the most infamous cold cases in the state, spanning nearly 3 decades. Prosecutors say Devaughn's run from the law was reduced to simple strides heading in the direction of justice on Wednesday.
It's so important. I mean, not only for getting the victim's family justice, but also for the city of Starkville and county of Oktibbeha. This was a crime that was really a sore subject for a long time, and the good police work resulted in indictments, and now it's our job to put it across the finish line, and that's what we plan to do.
During his court appearance, Devaughn was read both charges being brought against him.
He pled not guilty on both counts, which that's to be expected.
Oktibbeha County Circuit Judge Lee Coleman denied bond for the 51-year-old suspect. The Ryanzi man is accused of going into Catherine Krigler's home back on September 3rd of 1990. Krigler's friend, Betty Jones, was at home visiting at the time. Police believe Jones answered a knock at the door, and then that's when Devaughn allegedly made his way inside the home. Devaughn is accused of killing Jones, then going into the bedroom and sexually assaulting Krigler, leaving her for dead. However, Krigler was able to call for help. Starkville investigators used new resources like Ancestry.com and DNA science to help them find Devaughn. District Attorney Scott Colon says at this time the death penalty is still an option.
Absolutely, it's on the table. We're going to consult with the victim's family, go through the process that we have for determining whether to go for the death penalty or not, and after we're done with that process, we're going to announce the decision and move forward.
We reached out to Devaughn's attorney. However, he declined to comment on this matter. Now, at this time, Colon says they don't know when Devaughn's next court appearance is going to be. They're still waiting to see if Devaughn is going to keep his court-appointed attorney or hire someone new to represent him. However, Colon did say that once everything gets sorted out, he's going to push this case to get moving as soon as possible. Scott?